No, I like it a lot. I don't like it though. No.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what is up? Thank you so much for joining us to watch this video. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing two Arabian perfume oils that I got from Amazon, and these are from the Tahara collection. We have Musk Al Sultan, and we also have Vanilla Musk. Just focus. Yeah, so if you want to know my thoughts on these perfume oils, what I think about them, whether they're worth your money, then definitely stick around and keep on watching. As you may or may not know, I am a huge fan of fragrances, and I have tried quite a number of them. I've reviewed some on my channel as well, and I am a huge fan of Arabian perfumes. I love them a lot. I've even talked about some of them on my channel, and I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be talking about a lot more in future. But I recently turned my attention to Arabian perfume oils. I tried one that I really loved, but I'll be talking about that in another video. So I saw these two on Amazon and they piqued my interest. This is the vanilla one, and this is the Musk Al Sultan. You could just focus. Okay, well, not very good at pointing them to the camera, but I saw these two and I thought that they were very interesting and I wanted to try them out. Let me tell you guys, I have been going through a lot these days, and I just felt like, you know what, I have been a good girl, I deserve to spoil myself, and so I just went ahead and I bought them. Without yammering any further, let's just get into it. Let's review the perfume oils. To start off, I'm going to talk about the packaging of this perfume oils. I have to say that I was very impressed when they first arrived. It comes in this, it's a very light thing. I don't know whether this is a thing like a tin or paper, I don't know, one of them, but anyway, this is what it looks like. If you could just focus. Voila. Okay, yeah, so this is what it looks like. It comes covered like this. You open it. Yeah, the presentation is very cute and the bottle is quite heavy. So this is a 12 ml perfume oil. It's very heavy. Look at the, come on, look at the lid of it. I feel like I'm wasting time on this one, but it's very important that I talk about it. So this is the applicator. I have to say though, I'm not a big fan of these kinds of applicators. Like, I prefer the ball, so you can just apply that on your body, but whatever, this is fine, it works just fine. All right, so I'm first of all going to talk about the Vanilla Musk. So like I said in my intro, there was one other Arabian perfume oil that I tried that I really liked, and it was like a musk perfume oil, and I loved that one. It's like a soft cottony scent that's it's a little powdery. I really love it. It has like this baby powder scent to it. I loved it, which is why I decided to try more musk perfume oils to see how I would like them. And when I saw the vanilla one, I was intrigued because I am a gourmand girly. I love sweet scents, but I was a little iffy because if I've learned anything from perfume oils, usually the ones that tend to be vanilla don't really smell like vanilla. Like, I tend not to like them very much, so I knew that I was taking a risk with this one, and I was right. I don't like this vanilla musk scent. Like, I don't like it. Now, to be fair, this is a sweet perfume oil, like this is a sweet scent, but to me it doesn't smell like vanilla. Well, let me say, it doesn't smell like the kind of vanilla that I tend to like, because I like gourmand type vanilla scents. This does not smell like a gourmand scent to me at all. So I'll put the notes on the screen somewhere, but when I was checking through the notes, there was this one particular scent note that caught my attention. I think it's ambergris. Oh, if I'm pronouncing that in the wrong way, I'm sorry, but I think it's like ambergris. It's kind of like a woody scent, but not like a smoky woody type scent. No, it's just like a woody scent that makes the whole perfume oil smell a certain way that I personally do not like. I feel like that particular scent note ruins the whole thing for me. So I like gourmand vanilla. I don't mind the floral vanilla, but this is neither gourmand nor floral to me. Again, I feel like that ambergris or whatever it is, it just ruins the whole scent to me. It throws everything off for me. It is sweet though. I guess it's sweet, but it is definitely not the sweetness that I was expecting. It does have a decent projection, I think. I don't like this one. I don't like it at all, but my friend likes it, so I would probably just give it to her. But when she applies it on her, I noticed that the projection is pretty good. Like, I can smell it on her. I don't think that is very long lasting though. On Amazon, even in the reviews, it is stated that this is a long lasting perfume oil. To me though, I don't think it's very long lasting. On average, you have like a strong projection from, I don't know, an hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, something along those lines. But after a while, it just disappears. Like, I guess it lingers, but it wouldn't be as strong. I don't know, the more I smell it, I feel like it's not as bad. No, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. But this is a 12 ml perfume oil, and it's very thick, so it's gonna last for a while before it, completely runs out. Anyway, that is it for the vanilla musk. Again, very nice presentation. But yeah, moving on to the second one, which I actually kind of like. This one actually had 2 reviews and they seemed positive. The people who talked about it seemed to really like it, and I don't mind it. I think I like it. I actually do like it. So this is the Musk Al Sultan, and again, I will put the notes somewhere on the screen, but I have to say that the combination of everything gives it such a unique scent. It's not really a scent that I feel I would be able to describe to you guys, but why did my voice shiver there? I don't know. But this is a sweet, it's not like in a gourmand type sweet, but it's a sweet, clean scent. It's clean. A gourmand, no, not a gourmand sweet scent, but it's like a sweet, clean, floral scent. I like it, but I do find that when I rub it, I like the scent that comes of it than just, applying it and not rubbing. No, I like it a lot. A lot. If I had to grade this out of 10, I'll give it like an 8.5. Like, I like it a lot. Okay. It has this detergent, soapy, sweet cleanness to it. I love it. It's a very unique smelling perfume oil. To me, it's not very long lasting. At least it's not too long lasting on my skin. The few times that I've worn this perfume oil, it has lasted for, again, about 1 to 3 hours of strong projection, and for the rest of the time it just lingers, but it wouldn't be as pronounced as when you first put it on. It's a very nice. This one I like. This one I would recommend to someone who is looking to try something different, something clean, something sweet but clean, detergents. But I recommend this one. The vanilla one though, honestly, it's not my thing. I don't know if a lot of people will be into it, because to me it doesn't smell great. They had other types of the Musk perfume oils. I remember one that was like a lavender, which I found very interesting, but I'm not gonna risk it again, because this is gonna last for a while. Again, 12 ml. Have you seen this bottle? Do you see this bottle? And it's thick. The thing is thick. Yeah, it's thick, and I can see someone mixing this with your oils or pomades to amplify the scent. That doesn't make sense, but yeah, this one I recommend. This one I think is nice. I think it's worth your money. The vanilla one though, I don't know, I don't recommend it. I don't think it's that great. I don't think it smells that good. It's not bad. I think the more I smell the vanilla one, the more it's not bad. I don't like it though. No, Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.